I'm starting with the bottom of the bench where you put the weights on top here. You put the bar here with the plates. I'm starting with these 3 pieces down here on the bottom. And I got them right here. See that? The holes line up. Now you have to follow the numbers to figure out which parts you need over here. Right here, this bolt here, it's 42, and it goes inside here. It goes right here in this hole, comes out the other side. Number 42 is going to be one of these bolts right here, so you have to cut it out. And after the 42 bolt, you need a 52 washer for each side. And those are right here, the number 52 washers. And pop these out as you use them so that you don't mix them up or lose them. Put the washer on the bolt. Make sure these 2 holes are lined up. Put the bolt through. Come over to the other side and put a washer on each bolt. On the end, you need number 57, which is going to be the nut that you use to tighten up the 2 bolts with that we've inserted so far. And those are right here. Just thread the 2 nuts on for now. You don't have to snug anything up yet. Get 4 of the number 40 bolts right here. And you gotta insert them in here to the bottom to where they stick up. And then you're gonna put a washer on them as well. Put the 2 bolts through like that, and then you're gonna use some more of the 52 washers and then put nuts on these according to what it says here. Gonna use number 57 nuts. Just get them hand tight for now. Then gonna do the same thing for the other side. Put the bolts through and the nuts and the washers. We're gonna take this piece here, and right in the back we're gonna put 2 little screws that are number 50. Here's the piece here. It's pretty big. Might need some help to get it on here. There's a bolt here that's gonna fasten it down, and then in the end is where those 2 little screws are gonna go. The screws are self-tapping, so you're gonna have to turn it pretty hard to get it to go in, or you can just use a drill. Don't tighten it down all the way because you need to have playroom so you can line up the other screw. After you put the 2 screws in, come to the other side. Then you gotta put 2 more screws in here. And then finally put the bolt in. Look at the diagram right here for the bolt. We need a number 40 bolt, a washer, and then a number 57 nut. Get the bolt in there, put the washer, put the nut, snug it up. Grab the other one, and then we're going to come over to the other side and do the same exact thing. First, put in the 4 little screws so it'll hold it in place, and then you can put the bolt in. Lily is checking out the box that the weight bench came in. Right, Lily? For the other side, we need another number 40 bolt. I used up all the ones here, so got to open this one up, and it's the same process. Put the bolt through, and then you put the washer and the nuts. We're going to start putting the bench together. I'm going to connect this piece here to this piece here. And you can see all the numbers here. And by now you should be able to figure out the numbers to use to get the bolts and nuts and all that. So I'm not going to show that anymore. Here's those 2 parts. Here's the bottom part. And then here's the other bar. Just going to connect them with the bolts and the nuts. After you get this part installed, come over to the top. There's 2 holes here. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. There's 2 holes here. We're going to put this part of the seat on, and there's 2 bolts. Put them through the hole, and then they screw directly into the seat. This bolt here where the bend is, this steel plate has to go underneath, and it's held in place by the bolt. You have to connect these 2 pieces together. Just 2 bolts right here. When you get these 2 pieces together, then you need to join them together right here. You have to come under here and put 4 screws right here. And then over here is going to be the bolt. The top bolt screws right in, and then the bottom bolt goes through, and then there's a nut right there. You're going to need a wrench or a crowfoot to be able to tighten that up. And then you have to put the 4 screws in right there. Now we're going to connect these 2 pieces together. Take the elbow rest, turn it upside down, and then just put the bar on top like this and tighten up the 2 bolts. Insert it inside the front of the bench, and then take this thing and put it in there to put it in place. There's a slot in here. Put one of these steel bars in there, and then put 2 of the foam pads on the ends. Then you get these things, and you just pop them on like that. Put this bar in here, then you put the bolt through here, and then this piece, there's an Allen bolt right there. Slide it on, and then you just snug up the Allen bolt. Insert the curl bar like this, and then pop the pin in that's hanging. Put the other 2 bars in, steel bar here, steel bar down here, and then put these pads on, and then those plastic end caps. The last thing you have to do is take these 2 bars that support the extra weights, and they go right here, like that, and they get bolted in with 2 bolts on the back of the bench.